Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to delete a Zoho CRM account. Please note, this action is irreversible, so if you delete your account, you can't get it back. So proceed with caution. Now let's get started and let's follow these steps together. The first step is to log into your Zoho CRM account. And to do that, just go to a new tab in your browser and look for CRM websites. After the website appears, enter your account credentials and log in. You can even log in by your Google account using your Google account or your Facebook, etc. Now, once in your Zoho CRM dashboard, go to Settings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select My Account. Now, you're gonna navigate to the account settings or subscription section. Now waiting for the menu to appear. Let's refresh it, or let's open it again. There's a bit of a connectivity problem here. Okay, there we have it. Now for navigate to account settings or subscription settings. Let's look for them. See, now we're on account settings. Let's look for subscription. Or we can use this instead. You can navigate in the settings in the account settings right here. Navigate to the bottom here and go to this section right here where it says close accounts. From here you can permanently delete all the data associated with your account and the app you use. Now note, closing your Zoho account will permanently delete all your account information and you will no longer be able to use any of the Zoho services. So keep this in mind while doing this step. Now for the third step is to cancel the subscription and delete the account. If you have an active subscription, cancel it first by selecting cancel subscription. Then locate the option to delete your account from here and confirm the deletion by entering your password or OTP. And there you have it. Your Zoho CRM account is now deleted. Remember to back up your data before deleting your account. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave any comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.